morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday morning, the last Saturday of October, and we are home, nowhere to go today. Let us say good morning to them. And I want to have breakfast. I just finished giving him a bath and clearing up everything that I used in giving him his bath. Bless you, baby. So right now I want to have breakfast. How y'all doing, my YouTube family? Hope y'all are doing good, because we are doing good. Papa. Yeah, I'll be unboxing some wigs that I bought recently. I ordered it from Instagram, one page on Instagram. So there are 3 wigs with a fringe clip. So I should be unboxing that later when I'm less busy. I want to have breakfast now because I'm very hungry. So maybe once I'm done having breakfast. Why are you kicking me now, baby? Why? What did I do to you? Sorry, baby. Bless you. Sorry. So once I'm done having breakfast, I might just unbox it immediately because I've been so curious to see how the wigs look like, as in it. But I wanted to open it that same day, but I said no, let me just keep it so that I unbox it and make a video of it. That's why I've not unboxed it, but my mind has been on it since, and although I've been busy. Yeah, exactly how I want it. Coke iced tea. Fresh from the oven. So yeah, guys, once I'm done having breakfast, if baby boy allows me, I should unbox the wig because I'm so curious. So yeah, see you guys later. Let me enjoy my breakfast. Oh my, I'm just so curious. I've not even finished having my tea. I really want to unbox these wigs, so that's what I want to do now. I came this side to get a better view, as in for the lighting, so that it can be brighter a little bit, because I don't have any camera. I'm using my Android phone. Yeah, so sorry. I'm so excited. You can see very well. It says, "Hello, gorgeous. I have arrived. I'm gorgeous, and my wigs have arrived. So let us open them." Oh my God. I'm so excited. Mommy's so excited. This is the first wig, so let us see how it looks. I still have my braids on, so maybe once I get these braids off, I'll test them on. But as of now, I can't. This is a blunt cut. It has scattered because of the packaging, because she showed us a video where she was prepping them, so it's not really in good shape because of the packaging. So this is a blunt cut wig. Yeah, so let me pack it back. Papa. Yeah, by the way, these wigs are very, very affordable. They are very, very, very affordable. So don't think I'm a big woman. Now small money I take back. Oh my. How many inches? I think it's 30 inches or 20. How many inches? I can't remember. Oh. can't remember. Hey, see my wig. How is it tried on by? Oh my. My wig. Kinky. Ah. And the name of the wig is inside my phone. I would have checked it right now. I think it's 28 inches, 26 inches, either 26 to 30 inches. It's not wavy, it's straight. It's because of the way they packaged it. It's a straight wig. Can't wait to try it. It's very, very affordable. Very, very, very affordable. Ah. Even said, yeah, because I knew I saw the page on Instagram. Nobody recommended it to me. I just came across it, so I started following her and saw the type of hairs that she normally posts. And I love these ones, so I ordered them. I don't know her from anywhere, or nobody recommended her to me. So I ordered for the week. I sent her the money, the delivery, and everything. My spirit accepted her because from her post, I don't think she was a scam. You know one thing about me, once my spirit accepts you, then yeah. But once I start having second thoughts, that means my spirit does not accept that person. So my spirit accepted this one. That is why I sent her the money. This is the fringe clip. Came from here. Came from inside here. And it has this net. Right. How do they even? Oh, I don't want to spoil it, but I have to. So this is the French clip. How do they even write? They even stapled it to this place. This is the French clip, guys. I don't want to open it yet. It has a small comb there. Just put it in front. Hey, I can't wait to rock them. This is the last week, the third one. This one is wavy, 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 wavy. Oh, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's wavy. Oh my. Oh, this is beautiful though. Very soft and silky. Wow. This is nice though. So guys, let me put it back. Once I lose my braids, I'll try them again. I want to save up some money, you know, get myself a hair dryer, hair straightener, hot comb, hair color, all those things to help me manage my wigs. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Oh. So yeah, let me put them back inside the bag that they came in. Oh, my baby wants to cry. He needs mommy now. So yeah, guys, that is the unboxing of my 3 weeks. Let me attend to my baby. I feel so sleepy. Welcome. Jesus, why is your weight so? Why are you so heavy today? Did your weight increase? See them. See there. Daddy, look. Look. He's not in that mood today. See my cute baby. Say good morning. Okay, it's afternoon already, after 12. Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. It's your baby JD and mommy. Alright guys, see you guys later. Please make sure to like this video and comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Tell them to subscribe to our channel. Let's watch movie.